In this video, I will show you step by step how you can add music to your video in CapCut just in few minutes. This will be an easy and quick tutorial, guys, so let's get started. So first, open your CapCut app like this, go to your CapCut homepage, okay, like this, and import the video that you want to add the music to, okay? So for example, you want to add music to this video over here, okay? Let me show you.
My expertise spans all styles.
I want to add music to this video, okay? What you need to do, just click over here on audio, and it's gonna take you to this page over here to music. Click over here on the search and search for the music that you want to add. So for example, let's add some happy music. For example, I will search for happy background, happy music, and here you go. You will find a lot of background music over here that you can add, okay? Okay, so for example, I want to add this one to my video, okay? So just keep clicking on this background music and put this background music under your video here, okay? Like this. It's really super easy, and you can click over here, go to the end of this background music, keep clicking, and you can make it matched with your video like this, okay? And you can also lower the background music, okay? So click on your background music and you can go over here to volume, and you can decrease the volume of your background music like this, and here you go. Let's check.
Let my work speak for itself. I think everyone should rush to make 5 or 10,000 or 15,000 a month. Even 18-year-olds or 19-year-olds.
That's how we can add music to a video in CapCut. It's super easy, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video.